Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Koluche, welcome you all for today's lecture of marketing management. In previous class, we have seen the difference between the traditional marketing and digital marketing. Today, we shall see the broad view of digital marketing. What are the things covered in, say, digital marketing? In that, we shall see the six main components of digital marketing. Here, the first component of digital marketing is, say, channel management. Channel management means selecting the perfect or the best channel for the, say, communication or doing digital marketing. There are many channels of digital marketing, but out of those, selecting a particular channel which will be supportive, cost effective, and which will satisfy our need or which will serve the purpose should be chosen by us. So the first thing is the channel management. If we select a proper channel, then we can reach the target audience or target customers. So therefore, the first component is channel management. The second aspect in digital marketing is web, mobile, and social media. Nowadays, a human being is so much attached to their mobile, internet, and social media that even if he is hungry, he can delay the food, but he will not delay the visit to social media or mobile and web. So it has become a part of the daily life. So by utilizing this opportunity, the familiarity of people with web, social media, and mobile has given a wide opportunities for digital marketing. So these web, mobile, and social media are one of the, say, important component. The next is content marketing. Content marketing means here the content what we are going to communicate to the customers, or in digital marketing on what contents we are going to concentrate, those points are, say, considered here. What things to be added, what things to be neglected, all these aspects should be covered or will be covered by the digital marketing. That's why the content marketing is very important. The next component is building relationships. Each and every organization or company or business unit tries to maintain good relations with the employees, with the stakeholders, and most important, with the customers. Because the relation may make a good bonding between the organization and the, say, customer. So to make this bonding strong and long lasting, digital marketing will help in building a good relationship among them. And if good relation exists, then the company may earn good returns and it may, say, have a good image in the minds of the customers. The next is analytics and reporting. In digital marketing, the contents or the success or the response of digital marketing can be calculated very easily by using technology. And this technology will help in preparing analytics and reportings based upon what the further move or further strategy can be decided. So The analytics and reporting system helps in keeping a track of the things in digital marketing. This track is very much essential because if we know what how much response we have got for our ad, or how much response we have got from the stakeholders, or how much response the digital marketing has made, we can decide our further strategies or further plans. So this is one of the components of digital marketing. And lastly, marketing strategy. Here, planning the strategy is very much essential. But to plan this strategy, the basic information or the basic things will be provided by digital marketing. So, the strategies, planning, and implementing is very easy with the help of digital marketing. And digital marketing will provide a platform for framing a proper marketing strategy for the organization. So, these are the components of digital marketing. Tomorrow's class, we shall see the channels of digital marketing. If you have any questions, doubts, you all can feel free to contact me at any point of time. We shall stop here. Thank you. Good day.